Hello everyone, welcome to Zoho Forms. So what exactly is this platform? This platform is a tool for creating Zoho Forms for your followers, website customers, and others. It offers great customization and allows for numerous payment integrations. Being part of the Zoho ecosystem, it integrates with Zoho Campaigns, Zoho CRM, Zoho Sheet, and others. You can see these integrations here, including Zapier and more. We can embed it on our website too. To get started, simply log in and you'll be in the platform. Alright, how can we create our first form in Slow Forms? We'll go to Form My Forms and click on New Form. Here we'll see two types. We can use templates as shown. If we don't want to start from scratch, there's Sign Up, Contact Us, or E-commerce order forms. I'll make a custom one as it's more useful. So let's call it Test. We'll hit Create with the standard format and I'll show you how it works. We'll drag and drop the information we need. For instance, we want to add a field for date and time. Oh look, date time is even better. If we don't want something, we just delete it. It's delete and delete again. Here it would show the date, we'd give it a name to insert. We can add phone, email, and other contact details if needed. Let's say we want to customize something like the date time. Just by clicking, I can customize it, but if I hover over and click properties, this same config menu opens where we can input instructions on what to enter. As you see, if I type hello here and hit save, the instructions appear below in this hello section. We also have the placeholder, which is the text shown inside. The hover text and time format, either 12 or 24 hours. Let's set it to 24 hours. Intervals in minutes we'll set to 1. Here we have separate settings for each section. Remember to hit save. We can also add ratings for feedback. We can add a slider too for ratings from 0 to 100. Of course, you can customize this slider, make it smaller. There's not much color customization. Why? Because to change colors, we go to the section of, personally, I go to the topics section. We navigate to the topics section here. Here we can customize everything. We click apply and confirm. We're using this blue desk. Now if I click preview form, we can see how our form looks. Click submit. As you can see, the button isn't clickable. If we click access, it lets us enter the form. Since answers aren't set as required, we can submit directly. Answers can be made mandatory in properties. We can also add payment options if needed, and that's how to use this tool. It's that simple. Alright, let's say we've created our form and now we want to access its statistics. We'll go to reports, or forms obviously, and click on new report. Here we'll choose the format to view it in. We'll select list format. We'll name the report. Let's call it test. Now we'll select the form we want analytics for and hit create. They'll now give us the time frame for viewing the form data. If we go to the entries section, we can see the responses. In this case, there's only one response, the slider at 78. If there were more responses, we'd see more entries. It's that easy to share and manage. For multiple users, reports and form creation often require approval. As admin, users will need our approval for their action. The admin goes to approvals and decides yes or no. This requires having invited more users to the system. That's how the analytics section works. And finally, let's take a look at Zoho Forms pricing plans. If we go to the subscription section and enter the Zoho store, you'll see the pricing is quite fair, right? We're looking at a price of $10 or 10 euros per month, okay? If we pay monthly, it's 12 euros a month. For that, you get 10,000 submissions per month for one user, unlimited forms, unlimited reports, which is great, payment integrations, 500 MB of space, and themes to build with. For $30 a month, we get 10 users, unlimited forms, and 25,000 submissions monthly, okay? Plus unlimited reports and, well, 2 gigabytes of space. As we go up in price, the submissions, number of users, and space simply increase, alright? So, yeah, it's that simple, and I think the prices are fair. The tool it does what it says, you know? It's not a huge tool with tons of features, but it's called Zoho Forms. It's for making forms, and it does that job very well, right? So that's it.